Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and try on the Lidl Premium Christmas Jumper. So let's just take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a Lidl Livergy Premium Christmas Jumper. And this one is in the small size. And just taking a look at the details of the box packaging. And at the back of the box there is some product information in various languages for this premium Christmas jumper. And now let's go ahead and open it up by cutting apart the clear sticky seal that's keeping the box securely closed. And let's slide the contents out from the box packaging and just checking through, making sure nothing else is left behind. And just setting the box down to the side. And just setting it on the left hand side, or actually set on the right hand side of the tabletop. And giving you a look at the Christmas jumper straight out of its box packaging. And let's slide the card insert out and take a more detailed look. And I'm just going to move the box out of the way for now. And giving you a look at this festive premium Christmas jumper. So you can see a reindeer with a bobble hat or beanie. And with ho 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 on the side. And now taking a look at the label that's attached with the hang tag as well. So as I mentioned, this is in the small size for chest sizes 34 to 36 inches in circumference. And taking a close-up look at the details with the Livergy branding and the back of the jumper right there, plain for the back. And of course taking a look at the hem details as well, so right there at the inside label, so giving you a look at the inside label for the jumper. And we can see the care instructions and other details. And giving you a look at the stitching details as well around the arm and shoulders, and of course the cuff details right there. We can see that there is no elasticity to it. As you can see, just trying to stretch it, it stays pretty stiff and tight. And as to the other details, the sleeve does have stretchiness to it, some slight stretchiness. And of course back to the main details at the front with the reindeer and the ho ho ho. So giving you a much closer in look at the details of this jumper. Ho ho ho, and he's actually, or it is actually, holding a mug of frosty beverage or alcohol. And at the top of the bobble hat there is a bump there, so if we take a look at the back or inside. It's completely covered with lining. So let's press it and see. So it does light up or flash, and double pressing it, as you can see, does produce different effects. But nonetheless, right there is some of that light in action, and there's some faint beeping noise as well. But nonetheless, let's go ahead and try it on. It's just panning the camcorder up, and I do have a 38-inch circumference chest size. And let me, of course, flip the camcorder up and giving you a look at this festive jumper right there, and of course to my side as well. And let's pan it up slightly more. So right there, that's the jumper, and the back as well, and of course let's go ahead and try it on. So right there with the jumper on my body, once again I do have a 38-inch circumference chest size, and this jumper is in a small for 34 to 36 inches. So right there, giving you a look at the details of this jumper. Of course, moving around as well. So right there, you can see ho ho ho. And if we pressed on the button, it doesn't really work that well. Battery might be a bit low. Suppose play some sounds, and of course flash as well. Maybe I'm not doing it right, but nonetheless giving you a look at the details of this Livergy or Lidl Premium Christmas Jumper. There are the back details, and at the front as well. So that's the Lidl Premium Christmas Jumper. Thanks for watching and happy wearing!